In this tutorial, we're going to model this block from scratch using Siemens NX. So if you are new here and you're interested in computer-aided designing, make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a like on this video. Now let's get right into it. Now these are the dimensions you are going to use to model the block. So we'll first model this profile over here and then extrude downwards. So we are extruding in the Z direction downwards. So we are going to use the XY plane to get the sketch. So click on the extrude feature, click on sketch section, and we already select the XY plane. So click OK, and then we draw this feature over here. First, we draw a circle of diameter 30 and an inner one of diameter 15 millimeters. All having the same center. Next, we draw a triangle that coincides with this center line here and has a distance of 60 millimeters. Then you add these lines and erase the unwanted parts. Now let's dimension the line. So the distance from here to here, which is the vertical, is 9 and the horizontal is also 9 millimeters. So click on the linear dimension and dimension is 9 millimeters. Now with a quick trim feature, we can trim the unwanted edges from it. And this is the top profile here. So click on finish sketch. And we extrude up by 25 millimeters. Click OK. Next, we'll cut this side from it, which is over here. And we cut down by a distance of the 25 millimeters minus the 9 millimeters over here, which will give us 16 millimeters. So first, rotate the drawing and then click on the extrude feature, come to sketch section and click on this face here and click OK. Now create this shape or this profile here. Follow these lines and create this profile here. And the distance from this line here to this center line is 18 millimeters. You click on the linear dimension. The distance here should be 18 millimeters. Click on finish sketch. Now we extrude downwards by the 60 millimeters we calculated. Reverse the direction and click OK. And the last thing we'll do is to add this feature here to it. So you're going to draw from this face here. So click on extrude again, sketch section, and click this face here and click OK. Now we draw a triangle to touch these vertices. And then click on finish sketch. And we can rotate the drawing and then reverse the direction of the extrusion. Now let's calculate the starting distance of the extrusion. Since we drew the sketch on this side of the block, we need to have an offset distance here. And since the whole distance from here to here is 30, half of it should be 30 divided by 2, which will be 15 millimeters. So this center line here, which is also the center line of the extrusion, is from here is 15 millimeters. Now we know that the whole distance of extrusion is 7. So half of it should be 7 divided by 2, which is 3.5. So the distance from this tip here to the center line here is 3.5. Now to get the distance of this face here to the start of the extrusion, we subtract the 3.5 from the 15 we found. which will give us 11.5. So the offset distance is 11.5. So we start the extrusion at a distance of 11.5. And then the whole extrusion is 7. So adding the 7 to the 11.5, you get the 18.5, which will be the end of the extrusion. Make sure the boolean is set to unite and click OK. Now the last thing we'll do is to go to View and True Shading. And we select the material for our block or our parts to be global material gold. And yeah, that's how to model this part from scratch using Siemens NX.